guys, today we're going to have no edits at all for this video. Before we begin this video, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to know when we have a new video. So, more about the new, the biggest thumbs up you can give. And today we're just going to do a brother and sister challenge, but we're going to talk about a little bit of the no edits. So basically, the no edit thing is to see if our viewers or followers, which is you, like it without no edits. So, if you guys like it without edits, then this is your day. And if you like this video better with no edits, put it down in the comments. Down below. But I think it's time we get started. Oh, we haven't told you what the challenge was. Last to stop playing with slime and fidgets. This could be hard, guys. Alright, remember, no edits, so no trailer video, like usual. But no edits. Alright, I think it's about time that we show you our slime. Whoa.
I'll show you.
Oh, falling.
So I made this one. It's like
pretty cool slime.
It's
I call it the mermaid tail slime.
Bright, dark orange. I call this the orange mango.
Yes,
I call this color mango.
It kind of looks like it.
I would say mango.
Right.
It's a nice second color.
Oh, this is the best slime. It's not the best color, but
oh my, this is my favorite.
But it's really good slime.
This is my favorite one. It's like, this is called lemon lime. It has some purple in it. It's
it's been a super fun experiment that we did. It was made by like Slime Chef. So if you guys want to do this same experiment, then you could do the Slime Chef. If you get some Slime Chef is the thing that we made it of, and we honestly had a very good time with this Slime Chef. And this is the best color I made.
Oh my gosh, I made this. This is my last one.
His last one's really sticky.
My last one is actually pretty sticky because look, I'm not even holding it, it's sticking. It's really sticky slime.
Look at all these little fidgets. So cool. Alright guys, this is how we're going to do it. So, yeah, you see all this slime? Fidgets and stuff? We have a lot of puppets.
Mine are just straight. This one's right here. This is my slime.
And this slime is just connected. I put perfume in it so it's scented. Put some beads in it. It just started out as like jelly slime, and then I put Connect in it, and now it's so cool. But for today, guys, so we can't pick our fidgets because then we lost forever.
Well, I have to pick her fidget. She's gonna pick my fidget.
Yes. So Mikey, you go to that side. Okay, and you have. And this is how we're gonna do it on camera. Just do like that.
Can we switch sides?
No, I'm gonna be nice. I will offer you this simple dimple. Here you go. We'll start with 10 fidgets. Giving away 10 fidgets.
Alright, and then I'll trade you your least favorite one.
No, first we're on the poppet thing.
The broken.
Like, we're on the poppet thing. First we're on the poppet thing. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Micah, we have to make poppets.
The worst. The boringest poppet. The yellow one.
Dang it. Well, it pops really good, so I'm actually lucky.
But it is the oldest poppet we have.
Since you just gave me that, I'm gonna give you a girly one.
Oh, I love that one actually.
Oh, what was that gummy bear thing?
It's actually a pretty good poppet. I want to be nice on this one. I'm gonna be really
guys, by the way, this is our jumbo poppet. It's so huge.
I'm gonna be nice for this one, but I get to pick. Don't point, or else I won't give you the one. I'm gonna give you the nicest one.
Oh, also so Geminito.
Since you said you love the shark one, here you go.
Corn Pop's pretty good too.
But you can't slide across.
Okay, I'll give you the dinosaur.
Oh, I love that one. So cool.
Remember, there's one over here. Like this is good.
Oh, well.
Oh, that one's over there. The octopus.
Well, I'll give you the broken peas.
No, Micah, you're still on poppets.
Ah. I'll give you.
Wait a minute. Is this one broken?
Yep.
Guys, this peanut is broken. Okay, and he kept offering it to me, so that's
Right
just
here.
not fair.
Yes. I'll give you the least little Among Us puppet.
Okay, guys, look at how it's compared to this. So cool. Huh? There's no mini puppet, but it does seem kind of mini now. I'll give you. I'm gonna go ahead and be nice and give Micah this octopus puppet. So this is so cool. So you have the mini pops over here, then the big pop at the end. So cool.
Oh, thank you.
I want to see what he'll give me for this.
I'll give you. Oh, yeah, we're selling puppets.
I'm really eyeballing this. I wish I could. Okay. Since you gave me one I didn't want. I'll give you this.
I love that one.
Okay, whatever. This one's pretty big too. It's almost jumbo. It's just large, medium.
Yeah, look. It's not that big though. Oh, I like this one. That's my favorite puppet. And my second.
Okay, now what are you gonna give me, please? I've been being so nice to you and giving you all your favorite stuff. Can I please get this?
Hello, I'm Mr. Siren.
Micah, no, we're still on poppets. How many times do I have to tell you?
Little Bill.
Yes. Yes, guys, this is one of my favorite puppets. Okay.
That's basically the last puppet.
And then I'll have to get this one. Oop. No, that's not fair. I already gave you this. I got the jumbo puppet, yes! Alright, now guys, we're gonna be doing now we're gonna trade again. Okay.
Actually, if you get the jumbo puppet, it's gonna take forever to pop. Same like when you're playing slime and that, it's gonna take forever.
Yeah. Now we're trading slime. So get all the slime in the middle.
These are my slimes. They're cool.
We have this fart putty.
Noise fart putty. Oh, listen, guys. Watch. See the blue slime? Now put it in. Excuse me.
Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and skip to when we get to do the challenge. Right, guys. This is Micah's fidgets. And this is my fidgets. Okay, so I have only fidgets. Okay, now guys, I'm so excited. No, I'm super excited. I'm just super excited.
This is gonna be hard. We're gonna play with slime and fidgets.
Okay, this challenge is gonna begin. And 5, 4,
And I'll pick.
3, 2, 1. Oh, and when you swap, you have to still play with your fidgets when you swap.
I'm just playing with both.
Well, guys, we have to continue our day, so let's keep continuing it. Okay, we have some upside down papers as the consequences. I'm gonna stop playing with my fidgets. Upside down. Okay, we have some paper for the consequences.
I'm playing with my slime right now.
If there's like an easy, okay, this is easy fidget like to
My
see.
slime.
Ooh, I'll just take the
I got my
Like
sticky slime. I have my slime that doesn't even stick. It's the best one.
Oh yeah, that's good slime. Okay, so Micah gets to pick the consequence first. Upside down papers. Scramble them around.
I'm just gonna keep on playing with my fidget. My slime.
Now pick a consequence.
For me or you?
For you.
Give.
Two away. Give 2 away. Yahoo!
I thought that counts to you.
Okay, give me 2.
Of what?
Give 2 fidgets to me or slime.
I'll give you this and this.
Okay.
Now
Alright,
you
now
go.
I have to pick a consequence.
From you?
They're not just consequences, though. I take one. If I could take one thing, I take this. The best thing about this symbol dimple, I have.
You're not playing with a fidget.
Yeah, I am. I'm spinning the thing, and also I have this in my hand. All right. Okay. Now scramble them again. I'm gonna put my hand in the slime while I'm doing this. Let the slime.
Can I pick it? I know what I'm gonna pick.
What's it say?
Nothing.
Oh, that's nothing. Is this not nothing? No, it has something.
Let me pick a good one. Take one.
Okay, take one for me.
I'm gonna take your jumbo puppet.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do one. Take 5. Yes. Take this back. These 2. It's 3.
4, 5.
Nope, I take 4, 5. Perfect.
I barely have any left.
Look at how much fidgets guys he has. Well, I have a lot. Okay.
Alright, let me pick.
Wait, no. Are they all in there? Okay, pick up.
Take 5!
You knew that the skinny one was it.
No, I didn't.
Okay, no.
I didn't!
Okay, guys, let's do I think that's enough consequences for now.